In this lesson, I'm going to show you two tools that help you quickly straighten out and sort of adjust your horizons and things in your image to make them look straight. The first is this level tool right here. So instead of cropping and rotating manually, you can use this straighten tool by clicking it and then dragging across the horizon or whatever line is in your image to straighten it out. So here we have this horizon behind Sam. It might be a hill, but if we want that to be a straight across level in our image, click and drag, and when you let go, it creates a crop and a rotation that matches that line. Pressing return, we can really see now that that crop and rotation made this line in the background more level, which creates more of a balanced image. Cool, so that's the level tool. It's very quick and easy when you have horizons. The other one I want to show you is with the Photoshop 3 file, and this is this transform tool right here. So click this. This works best when you are shooting an image of a building or something that you want to have perfectly up and down and sort of horizontal lines. So this isn't the best example because it's going to warp myself, but when you're shooting architecture photos, this tends to work well. But this is a good example because it has a lot of lines in it. So say we want this pergola right here, this little structure, to have perfectly up and down and straight lines. If we click and drag once for this structure along the top line, and then we go from the top or down of this line right here, what will happen is it will adjust the photo, and you'll notice, see how this top line is now perfectly horizontal, and this up and down line is perfectly vertical. You can make adjustments over here if you want by rotating it actually vertically, horizontally. You could change the aspect, you can change the scale, move it around. But as you can tell, this doesn't look good for an image of a person because it warps the person and it actually stretches the photo out. But a photo of a building or something where you wouldn't be able to tell so much might be better. And it also depends on the angle that you're taking the photo at. At an extreme angle like this one, it really does sort of warp. But if there's just slight minor adjustments, it'll look better. Cool, so those are the straightening and the transform tools to help make lines straight and level in your photo.